Hey guys, this is SoulRag333 with another review, and here I have the Transformers Rise of the Beast Studio Series Voyager Optimus Prime with the DNA Designs DK-44 SS102 upgrade kit, and he looks really good. This is all Hasbro had to do. I don't know why they felt the need to overcomplicate things by adding steps to the transformation. We know how Optimus Prime transform. Don't try to fix it. This is awesome. Yeah. Now, this kit has some pieces that I'm just not interested in. These two are still in the baggie, and I guess they peg into here, and that's so that you can attach the Earthrise trailer. I'm not going to do that. This is all I wanted, and it's very cool. So instead of doing this stupid thing, all they needed was this. Let me just leave it alone. But because of the pieces that were there, it wouldn't allow you to keep it like that. And the feet just stood out, so there was no way to fix this with fan modes. But yeah, this does the trick. It works. And to transform him, let's unpeg these. Separate. Pull this up. Pull these in. Then classic Optimus Prime transformation. Open this up, then rotate. And open this up, bring out the fists. Then open up the toes, rotate at the ankle, and this piece just fold in. That's all they had to do. Then it pegs, and that's it. So a couple of minor steps added, but it improves the figure by a lot in truck and robot mode. So you replace the feet these go this way. You replace this piece, and then you replace your sword, axe. Did this one come with it? I don't know. And this dinky little weapon is now replaced by this arm cannon. Which pegs on there very nicely. And they give you two of these, but it's the same identical piece. So it's not symmetrical. I don't know why they would do that. You can still peg it in there. But it's like he has two left guns. I'm thinking about, I mean, it's all glued in there. I wonder if I can heat it up with hot water and boil it and loosen the glue and see if I can swap things around, but I don't know if I can do that. Or if the pieces would even match. He has a couple of axes, a couple of swords, which is cool. Comes with Noah, but he's permanently posed like that. Now, the only thing I did not do was replace the shoulder. I had no idea that this was even an issue with people. It only does this. And it's not pegging it all the way. Oh well. And so you have this thing happening. But here's the left shoulder, so it adds an extra hinge, so it will naturally pivot there as opposed to all the way up like that. The problem is my kit came with a missing piece. That sucks. And so I contacted TF Source and they said I have to send the entire upgrade kit back. They could not send just one piece, or they wouldn't let me just send this one piece. I don't know. I have to send the whole thing. So that's annoying. And I'm kind of tempted to leave it like this, but you pay $50, you expect the QC issue to be non-existent. So I am going to have to send the whole kit back. And hopefully they send me a replacement soon. But yeah, there he is, the Studio Series Optimus with part of the upgrade kit. So hopefully when I get the replacement, I'll do a full upgrade. But you know, when I did try to replace this made it very tight to swivel. So I don't know, it was way too tight. This is nice and smooth. This was way too tight. I'm afraid it'll shred the mushroom peg. So I don't know. I'll see if I even do that swap in the end. But it's still not right to get an incomplete thing. And I've had that happen a couple times with the DNA design kits. I'm glad TF Source is great with their customer service. So I don't have any issues with them. But the DNA designs, you guys need to step up your game with the quality control. First, I don't think these are worth the prices. You guys are overpricing your upgrade kits. I think this is at most a $20, maybe $25, not $45 plus shipping. You know, but no one's forced me to buy it. But if you're going to charge that much, make sure your QCs are good. Okay. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Now to pack these up and ship it back. Bye.